Elianne Andam, family of girl killed in Croydon, paid tribute to her life as they weep openly at the crime scene. A boy aged 17 remained in custody on suspicion of murder of the 15-year-old girl who was stabbed yesterday morning during rush hour traffic. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The parents of the teenage girl stabbed during the morning rush hour traffic have described the girl as the light of their life before visiting the scene of her death in South London. Elianne Andam, named as the 15-year-old girl victim of the daylight attack in West Leicester Road in Croydon on Wednesday morning. A 17-year-old boy who the police said knew the victim was arrested nearly 5 miles away in New Addington on suspicion of murder just over an hour after the attack. A 12-hour extension to the custody time limit was granted on Thursday. The Prime Minister Rishi Sunak told reporters that he is shocked and appalled by the attack. On Thursday evening, her parents Michael and Dorcas Andam appeared at the scene of the stabbing, accompanied by 20 family members and friends. They stood behind a police cordon and next to a bus stop, where a stationary number 60 bus has been parked since the incident. The family were touching each other's shoulders in support, hugging and consoling each other, while some laid flowers alongside where it is believed she was stabbed, all under the gaze of dozens of photographers and camera operators before taking shelter in the Whitgift Centre. Before they appeared in Croydon, the family released a statement through the Metropolitan Police. A spokesperson for Elianne's family said, "Our hearts are broken by the senseless death of our daughter. She was bright and funny with many friends who also adore her. She was only 15 and had a whole life ahead of her with hopes and dreams for the future. All those dreams have now been shattered. Our lives have fallen apart along with that of our wider family. We ask the media to please respect our privacy as we try to grieve the short life of our beautiful child."
The family, written by the family. We, as a family, are struggling to comprehend this painful tragedy that has happened to our beautiful daughter and beloved sister, Elianne. Our hearts are broken and we are overwhelmed by sorrow and grief. Our faith in the Lord is strengthening us. We would like to express our gratitude to those who have taken the time to send us thoughtful and compassionate messages and prayers. We kindly ask for your consideration to also respect our need for privacy as we attempt to come to grips our deeply devastating loss. Elianne was a beautiful person inside and out who loved Jesus. She was intelligent, thoughtful, kind, and had a bright future ahead of her. It is our request that you keep our cherished daughter Elianne and our family in your thoughts and prayers. Very much. We will not be saying more than that.
Elianne's father is a writer of Christian teaching while her mother works as an NHS safeguarding children specialist nurse. Both are of Ghanaian heritage and are active in the Christian community. A post-mortem examination was scheduled for earlier today, and further inquiries were taking place to establish the exact relationship between the victim and the suspect. A large police cordon is still in place outside the Whitgift Shopping Centre on West Leicester Road, and a bus remains inside the cordon. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.